mining for gold, paying in diamonds, the allure and illusion of home crypto mining. The allure of crypto mining is undeniable. Imagine generating passive income, securing the blockchain, and potentially striking it rich. This dream, however, often obscures the hidden costs associated with home crypto mining. While the rewards can be significant, so too can the financial pitfalls. This essay delves into the often overlooked expenses of home crypto mining, separating hype from reality. We will explore practical strategies to navigate this complex landscape. Knowledge is your most valuable asset in the world of crypto. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. The silent energy drain electricity costs and the crypto mining conundrum. Crypto mining is energy intensive. It requires substantial electricity to power the specialized hardware. This translates into a significant recurring expense. Miners often face high electricity bills, especially in areas with expensive power grids. Furthermore, the constant demand for cooling adds another layer of energy consumption. Failing to account for these costs can quickly erode any potential profits. Understanding your local electricity rates and optimizing your setup for energy efficiency are crucial. Consider surge pricing as well. Utility companies often charge higher rates during peak hours. This can significantly impact your mining profitability. Investing in energy-efficient mining hardware or exploring alternative energy sources like solar panels can potentially offset these costs. However, even these solutions require careful consideration and upfront investment. The hardware hustle, upfront investments, and the relentless cycle of upgrades. The initial investment in mining hardware is substantial. High-performance ASIC miners, designed specifically for cryptocurrency mining, can cost thousands of dollars. These machines require regular maintenance and are prone to wear and tear. Their lifespan is limited, often requiring upgrades to keep pace with the network's increasing difficulty. This constant need for newer, more powerful hardware can drain your profits. The cryptocurrency mining landscape is constantly evolving. New algorithms and hardware are introduced regularly. This means that your expensive equipment can become obsolete quickly. Staying competitive often necessitates reinvesting in the latest technology. Factor these potential upgrade costs into your calculations to avoid unpleasant surprises. Beyond the rig software fees, internet demands, and the lurking threat of hackers, the costs associated with home crypto mining extend beyond hardware and electricity. Mining software, often essential for optimizing your setup and connecting to mining pools, can come with fees. Additionally, maintaining a stable and high-speed internet connection is crucial for efficient mining. This adds another recurring expense to your budget. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Home miners, especially those operating independently, can be vulnerable to hacking attempts and malware. Losing your hard-earned crypto to malicious actors can be devastating. Investing in robust security software and implementing best practices to protect your mining operation is non-negotiable. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is still evolving. Tax implications for mining income vary significantly depending on your jurisdiction. Failing to comply with local laws and regulations can lead to legal trouble and financial penalties. It's essential to stay informed about the latest regulations and consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance. Some jurisdictions may impose restrictions or outright bans on crypto mining, others may require licenses or permits. Ignoring these regulations can have serious consequences. Always research the legal framework surrounding crypto mining in your area before investing your time and resources. Remember to subscribe for more updates. While mining can generate passive income, it's essential to consider opportunity costs. Investing directly in cryptocurrencies, staking your assets, or participating in decentralized finance protocols might offer more attractive returns. These alternatives often require less technical expertise and upfront investment. Diversifying your crypto portfolio is crucial for managing risk. Relying solely on mining income can expose you to the volatility of cryptocurrency markets and the fluctuating profitability of mining itself. Explore different investment strategies and assess their potential risks and rewards to make informed decisions. Taming the crypto mining beast: strategies for cost reduction and risk mitigation. Despite the challenges, home crypto mining can be profitable with careful planning and execution. The key is to be strategic and mindful of both costs and risks involved. By implementing a few smart strategies, you can significantly improve your chances of success and profitability. Here are some strategies to mitigate costs and enhance your chances of success. First, optimize your energy consumption. Choose energy-efficient mining hardware. This not only reduces your electricity bills, but also minimizes the environmental impact of your mining activities. Explore off-peak mining hours to take advantage of lower electricity rates. Many utility companies offer reduced rates during nighttime or other off-peak periods, which can lead to substantial savings over time. And consider using renewable energy sources like solar panels if feasible. Investing in solar panels can be a significant upfront cost, but it can pay off in the long run by providing a sustainable and cost-effective energy source for your mining operations. Second, join a mining pool. Pool your resources with other miners to increase your chances of earning rewards. By joining forces, you can share the computational load and benefit from more frequent payouts. This spreads out the risk and provides a more consistent stream of income. It also helps to mitigate the volatility and unpredictability of solo mining. Lastly, stay informed and adapt. The crypto mining landscape is constantly evolving. New technologies, regulations, and market trends can have a significant impact on your mining operations. Keep up to date with the latest technologies, regulations, and market trends. Regularly review and update your mining strategies to stay competitive. Be prepared to adapt your strategy as needed to stay ahead of the curve. Flexibility and continuous learning are key to long-term success in the ever-changing world of crypto mining. The true cost of convenience. Weighing the pros and cons of cloud mining. Cloud mining offers an alternative to setting up and maintaining your own mining hardware. It allows you to rent hashing power from a third-party provider. While this eliminates the hassle of hardware management, it comes with its own set of costs and risks. Cloud mining contracts typically involve upfront fees and ongoing maintenance costs. You're essentially paying for the convenience of outsourcing your mining operation. Additionally, the profitability of cloud mining is dependent on the provider's fees and the overall market conditions. Thoroughly research and compare different cloud mining providers before making a decision. Knowledge is power, research, and due diligence, your keys to responsible mining. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency, staying informed and conducting thorough research is not just beneficial, it's essential. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that can lead to successful mining operations. Entering the world of crypto mining requires careful consideration and due diligence. It's not just about setting up a rig and letting it run, it's about understanding the intricacies of the technology and the market. Before investing any capital, thoroughly research the following: the types of cryptocurrencies you want to mine, the market trends, and the potential profitability. This foundational knowledge will guide your decisions and help you avoid costly mistakes. Understand the hardware costs and specifications. Different cryptocurrencies may require different types of hardware, and the costs can vary significantly. Make sure you know what you need before making any purchases. Compare prices and energy consumption to find the most efficient option for your budget. Efficiency is key in mining. The more efficient your hardware, the more profitable your operation can be. Check your electricity rates and availability. Electricity is one of the largest ongoing costs in mining, so understanding your rates and ensuring you have a reliable power supply is crucial. Contact your local utility company to determine your electricity rates and assess the availability of sufficient power supply for your mining operation. This step can help you avoid unexpected costs and downtime. Research mining pools and software. Mining pools can increase your chances of earning rewards, but they come with their own set of considerations, such as fees and payout structures. Look for reputable mining pools that align with your goals and budget. Read reviews and compare statistics to find the best fit for your needs. Explore different mining software options and their associated fees and features. The right software can make a significant difference in your mining efficiency and profitability. And don't forget the legal and regulatory landscape. Crypto mining is subject to various laws and regulations that can impact your operations. Consult with a legal professional to understand the tax implications and regulatory requirements for crypto mining in your jurisdiction. This step ensures that you remain compliant and avoid legal issues down the line. Conclusion: proceed with caution. The future of home crypto mining in a changing landscape. Home crypto mining can be a rewarding endeavor, but it's not a path to quick riches. The allure of mining your own cryptocurrency from the comfort of your home is strong, but it comes with its own set of challenges and complexities. It requires significant upfront investment, technical expertise, and a willingness to adapt to a constantly evolving landscape. The hardware alone can be costly, and the energy consumption is another factor that can quickly add up. By understanding the hidden costs, mitigating risks, and making informed decisions, you can increase your chances of success in the world of crypto mining. Staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. Remember, the true value of your crypto journey lies not just in the potential profits but also in the knowledge and experience you gain along the way. Each step you take, each problem you solve adds to your expertise. Proceed with caution, stay informed, and never stop learning. The crypto world is dynamic, and continuous education is key to staying ahead. The future of crypto mining belongs to those who embrace innovation and navigate the challenges with a clear understanding of the risks and rewards involved. As the landscape changes, so must your strategies and tools. Don't forget to subscribe to Krytonite for more amazing crypto news and stay updated on the world of crypto.